We're here today at the ASML Ice skating event. Our new international colleagues are being introduced to the Dutch culture. And who doesn't love Dutch stamppot?
Very friendly people, like the place is beautiful. It's really nice.
It is really a very awesome experience for me. It's the first time that I am doing it and it's a great experience. We are falling down, but that is actually motivating us to go more, to do more. Awesome experience, frankly speaking.
It's really nice. I have to take care of my wife, but she is good.
So difficult, but I'm trying. Yeah, but I'm enjoying it also. It's my first time to do this. And also I don't have this snow in my country, so it's nice to try this experience.
I'm enjoying the food as well. I'm enjoying some Dutch buffet. Stamppot. Nice.
It was a kind of potato, mashed potato, other green thing, but I don't know what is it. So far so good.
I'll be trying for the first time actually. I'm very scared right now.
I didn't have a chance to ice skate before, so that's my first time. It's a good thing that we have instructors to watch us fall. I didn't fall actually yet. I expect to fall any minute now.
We try to help our new colleagues get a bit of a feel for the ice, find their balance, find out how to get themselves moving, how to stop again without falling. That's what we're trying to teach them.
I think I've fallen twice. So the last time I fell 10 times. I think it's a steep curve up.
I never do ice skating before in my life, so it's really good opportunity to give me. So I'm really happy to have that.
This is something that I've always liked about the company. It's more than just a job. So I think I really like that they do these community outreach events.